Hey guys, AJ here from Unbound in Pursuit. A little out of the ordinary, but I wanted to do a little gear review slash how-to installation of a case that I've really loved the last 2 years. For my iPhone 7, I just bought another one because I liked it so much. It's the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, and it's got 360-degree protection, easy to grip. It doesn't make the phone too bulky. Actually good size for me because my fingers start to hurt once I'm on my phone, just the iPhone by itself. So this case is protected. It's got a built-in screen protector. So I'm gonna go through and set it up. Enjoy.
Alright guys, as you can see, here's my iPhone 7, here's the new case, here's my old one. This is just after 2 years. I don't know if you can tell, the screen's pretty beat up, pops out, but even with that, it's been just a perfect case, and goes through by the earpiece, speaker, the home button, your camera and flash. But it's flexible, but it's also hard plastic, built-in screen protector. It's been an awesome case. As you can see right here, says it's shock resistant, perfect gripping, 360 protection, belt clip, and multi-layer design. I've loved it. I've had it for over 2 years, but with just trying to edit pictures on my phone, it has been a pain to see through the screen. But this is cheap. It's like $20 on Amazon. I've never used the belt clip, but it's got a 360, pretty sturdy. It doesn't just fall apart on you. I have kept it just in case, but I'm not in a place where I need to use it, so I never do. But it's got the screen protector. It's 2 pieces. Just grab it at a corner. It's tight. Every, I don't know, couple weeks, I just take it apart, rub the screen on a clean shirt just to clean it off, wipe my finger through, blow it out. It's got a nice soft piece right here, and it's also got these 6 little raised rubber kind of sticks on the table, and then it's got a nice little lip on the screen here, which is nice because if you set your phone upside down, screen's not rubbing on. But like I said, protective case. I've taken this everywhere, out in the elements, out hunting. The only problem I've had is when I have the screen inside my pocket and facing my leg. It gets a little sweat in here, fills up with water, but the nice thing is it pops out really easy. So you dry off your phone and then dry off the inside of the screen protector and it works. But when there's water trapped in here, you can't use your home button or anything. So I found if I put the back end against my leg, and I even put it upright just so the sweat's not getting on the camera, that works the best. So really easy. There's a inside plastic right here. Oh, there's not one on the inside. So take my phone, I'm gonna wipe it on my pants, got soft shorts on. It just clips in. I will take off the film of the front, and as you can tell, it's super tight. It's not clicking down. It's got the phone in there. You can see up here how it's open. It's got your earpiece, front camera, got your home button open down here. Super active. With these cases, you got to go in from the bottom, clip it in, and then you just go around the edges. There's the new case. Like I said, 6 little rubber stops on the bottom, keeps your camera protected. You set it down, doesn't slide all over. Got a nice little rib on the edges. So you set it down, it's a little raised up, protects your screen. Mute button protected, your lightning port protected, your speakers are exposed, but your up and down volume and your power button are over. But there is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the iPhone 7. Like I said, I've loved it for over 2 years. That's why I bought, exact same one, same color. It does come in multiple colors on Amazon. Highly recommended case, especially if you're outdoors in the elements. But I read tons and tons of reviews. This was by the far one of the better cases. It was super cheap, but it was also super durable and perfect for what I was using. So if you like this, please leave a like, a comment. Go ahead and share. Subscribe to our channel, and hope to be giving more reviews and how-to videos further on in the future.